Okay, so we're gonna see you guys again. That today I'm going to show you about the grammar. That in our grammar is referring to the passive voice and active voice that I did show you guys already about yesterday. That referring to what should we going to learn about the first learner that related to English grammar. So I'm just showing you guys the 2 points that you should learn for who that just start learning English grammar. So today I'm going to showing you a part of the text that I just showing you yesterday about the passive voice and active voice. That this one is very helpful and also very important for you guys to learn and to know, and also just use it just a part that you should know. Alright? And I will show you about the form. Normally we just use active voice then, but because don't waste so much of that time, so I'm going to show you about the passive voice and active voice together. And for detailed video I will show you later. Alright? So today I'm just showing you about a tense that's very helpful and also very useful in English grammar. Alright? So let's go together right time. So today I'm going to show you about English grammar that referring to the active voice and passive voice. I'm asking all of you guys already about what is a passive voice and what is the active voice. Do you know about that? Alright? So let's go together right now about what are difference between passive voice and active voice. Okay, so let's go. So the subject perform the action. Okay, passive voice, the subject perform the action. It means the subject be active in the sentence. The subject can do the meaning of the sentence that related to the subject. For example, dog killed the cat. The subject, the dog killed the cat here. It is the active voice. Then the dog used the action to kill the cat directly. And I just point out with the simple tense form that referring to the present simple. That we have subject plus verb plus object. Alright? You know it? It's gonna be so it's not hard because we have a form. So you just follow a form, it's gonna be easy. Okay? And for another one that we're gonna say like about the passive voice. Passive voice, the subject receives the action. This means the action that the subject gonna be get at the last of the sentence. It means like the subject can be complete the meaning at the end of the sentence of acting voice. Of acting voice here. It is about the subject receive the action. Okay? With the example, so let's go. The cat was killed by dog. This is about the dog that going to complete the action of showing about that action of the dog going to kill the cat. Alright? And the cat in here is just received. Okay? The cat in here is receive the action. Okay? We receive the action from the subject, main subject, completely the action of that. Alright? This is about what the difference between passive voice and active voice. But you just see about the form of that simple tense, subject plus to be plus verb 3, then we can select verb participle and the object, you know, right? Yes, etc. And make sure that in the passive voice, you are guide completely must use by, because we adding it to make the object seriously complete to the receive of the subject from the sentence. That we can say like the subject receive the action. Okay? It's just differently like that. Alright? In the tense, there are have active voice form where tense. And in the passive voice, they are have 12 times the same. Alright. Passive voice, they are have 12 times, and active voice, they are also have 12 times. So I'm going to show you about the form that I use summary of that form that referring to the active voice and referring to the passive voice form. So I will show you later of this. For in this video, I just want to tell you about what the difference between passive voice and active voice, and also I just want you guys to know about the time of using it in the tense in English grammar, because you guys are going to be confused if you are going to learn about the active voice. Not only that we are going to use or we are going to speak, we're going to use the form of the active voice. And when we are making an exam, when we are going to have a test like IELTS test, we're gonna use the passive voice to make the active voice in the sentence too. So that's why if today I'm going to show you already about this. So please enjoy it, and also comment below if you are wondering or if you want to know more from me that referring to the grammar form or referring to the grammar and English speaking. So next video I will show you again, or I will show you one more point that referring to what you should know in English grammar. Alright, so thank you guys for watching my video, and please click subscribe and comment below if you want to give me some idea or you want to be seen together that related to learning in online. So thank you.